Hey everyone, welcome back to Olsa Tools, Grease and Gears, where we bring you the best tools, tips, and gear to keep your workspace organized and efficient. Today, we're diving into a game changer for mechanics, DIYers, and tool enthusiasts, the magnetic aluminum socket rail. So what makes this socket rail stand out? First, it's made of high-quality aluminum, keeping it lightweight yet durable. It features a strong magnetic base that attaches securely to any metal surface. Whether it's your toolbox, a workbench, or even the side of your car while you're working, there are mounting holes at each end so you can screw it onto a wall or pegboard. Alright, let's talk about some of the killer features that set this apart. First up, the 360-degree swivel clips. These allow you to adjust and align your sockets perfectly. Whether you need them in a tight row or spaced out for quick access, these clips give you total flexibility. Plus, with the ball bearing retention system, your sockets stay locked in place, even when the rail is mounted vertically. No more worrying about sockets slipping out and getting lost. This rail comes in 3 sizes, 1/4 inch with 20 clips, 3/8 inch with 20 clips, and 1/2 inch with 18 clips, so you can organize sockets of all sizes. And for those of you who like a bit of style in your setup, you can grab it in 4 sleek anodized colors: blue, green, black, and red. Not only does it keep your tools in order, but it looks awesome doing it. So if you're ready to upgrade your tool organization and keep your sockets right where you need them, grab a magnetic aluminum socket rail today. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. Thanks for tuning in to Olsa Tools, Grease and Gears. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts. See you next time.